Hello everyone, this is K. Priya of 6th semester, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. In renewable energy power plants, let's discuss about principles of renewable energy and sustainable development. Introduction to renewable energy and sustainable development. Renewable energy sources are natural resources that can be replenished over time. Sustainable development aims to meet the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. The principles of renewable energy and sustainable development go hand in hand to create a cleaner and more sustainable future. Importance of renewable energy for sustainable development. Renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power help to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. These sources are abundant and can be harnessed without depleting finite resources. By transitioning to renewable energy, we can mitigate climate change and promote a more sustainable future for all. Principles of renewable energy. The key principle of renewable energy is to harness natural resources that are constantly replenished, such as sunlight, wind, and water. These sources are environmentally friendly and have minimal impacts on ecosystem. Renewable energy technologies are constantly evolving to become more efficient and cost effective. Types of renewable energy sources. Solar energy. Harnessing sunlight to generate electricity through solar panels. Wind energy. Using wind turbines to convert kinetic energy into electricity. Hydropower. Utilizing the energy of flowing water to generate electricity. Advantages of renewable energy. Renewable energy sources are clean and do not produce harmful emissions. They are abundant and can help reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. Investing in renewable energy creates jobs and stimulates economic growth in the green energy sector. Challenges of implementing renewable energy. The initial cost of installing renewable energy infrastructure can be high. Intermittency and variability of some renewable sources require storage solutions and grid integration. Policy and regulatory frameworks need to be in place to support the growth of renewable energy. Integration of renewable energy into the energy mix. Transitioning to a diversified energy mix that includes renewables is crucial for sustainable development. Governments and businesses are increasingly investing in renewable energy projects to meet climate goals. Energy storage technologies such as batteries are essential for balancing supply and demand with intermittent renewable sources. Role of renewable energy in achieving sustainable development goals. Renewable energy plays a key role in achieving SDG 7, that is affordable and clean energy, and SDG 30, that is climate action. Access to clean and affordable energy is essential for poverty reduction and improving quality of life. By promoting renewable energy, we can create a more equitable and sustainable world for all. Future trends in renewable energy. Continued advancements in renewable energy technologies will drive down cost and increase efficiency. Integration of smart grid technologies and energy storage will enable higher penetration of renewables in the energy sector. Collaboration between government, business, and communities is essential for accelerating the transition to a renewable energy future. Conclusion. The principles of renewable energy and sustainable development are essential for creating a more sustainable and resilient world. By investing in renewable energy, we can mitigate climate change, reduce pollution, and create a more prosperous future for all. It is imperative that we continue to prioritize renewable energy as a key solution in achieving a more sustainable and equitable society. The world's growing energy need alongside increasing population led to continued use of fossil fuel based energy sources which became problematic by creating several challenges such as depletion of fossil fuel reserves, greenhouse gas emissions, and other environmental concerns, geopolitical and military conflicts, and the continual fuel price fluctuations. These problems will create an unsustainable situation which will eventually result in potentially irreversible threat to human societies. Notwithstanding, renewable energy sources are the most outstanding alternative and the only solution to the growing challenges. In 2012, renewable energy resources supplied 22% of the total world energy generation. Energy information administration, which was not possible a decade ago. Reliable energy supply is essential in all economies for heating, lighting, industrial equipment, transport, etc. Renewable energy supplies reduce the transmission of greenhouse gases significantly if replaced with fossil fuels. Since renewable energy supplies are obtained naturally from ongoing flows of energy in our surroundings, it should be sustainable. For renewable energy to be sustainable, it must be limitless and provide non-harmful delivery of environmental goods and services. For instance, a sustainable biofuel should not increase the net CO2 emissions, should not unfavorably affect food security nor threaten biodiversity. In spite of outstanding advantages of renewable energy sources, certain shortcomings exist, such as the discontinuity of generation due to seasonal variations, as most renewable energy resources are climate dependent. That is, why its exploitation requires complex designs, planning and control optimization methods. Fortunately, the continuous technological advances in computer hardware and software are permitting scientific researchers to handle these optimization difficulties using computational resources applicable to the renewable and sustainable energy field.